To all my friends and Friendster, Chrysler, Kenneth, Brian, who else? To my classmates, Fairy and
Buntok mo.
Christina, Katapang. Hello. As you can see, it's snowing. And
I'm going to Sledam.
yeah, I'm going to sled. No worries. Hey Erica, how you doing? I know it's your, I think it's your finals there.
Bilisan mo.
I'm doing well, and yeah, as you can see, it's snow.
First
Snowing.
snow day,
Yeah, it's snowing. I think it will be for 3 days or something. So, hello. And who else? Who else is my friend?
Bandmates.
Yeah, to all my bandmates, whoever will see this video, yeah,
Comment on it.
comment on it. And hey, hello to Margaret. Snowballs. Hello Margaret. Hope you're doing fine there. I'm doing fine too, as you can see. Yeah, I'm still handsome.
Ah ha ha ha.
And hey, bye.